Suppose your teacher offers to give the whole class a bonus if everyone passes the next math test. The teacher says she will give everyone 10-point bonus and increase everyone's grade by 9% of their score. Alright, you earned 75 on your test. Would you rather have 10-point bonus first and then 9% increase, or 9% increase first and then the 10% bonus? So you have one function, it increases by 10 points. Another function increases by 9%, that's multiplying by 1.09, okay? Actually, let me just explain that. It's x plus 9% of x, factor out the x, and you get 1. Right? If you do 1 plus 0.09, 1.09x. Okay. Now, which one's higher, basically? Is FOG? FOG is f at 1.09x, which is 1.09x plus 10. Is that bigger? Or g at f at x? So g at x plus 10 and 1.09 x plus 10. So this one is going to be larger because this is taking 9% of 85, and this is just taking 9% of only 75. Okay. Without even evaluating, I would rather take this option, which means get 10% increase first, and the second get 9% increase. Okay.